it's August 13th. We have frost peach here. This is a highly recommended variety for Pacific Northwest due to its late blooming, which sometimes we get a late frost that kills the flowering buds, and so this late blooming will be more ideal for it. And then it's more disease resistant to leaf curl, and it's this leaf curl resistant is when the tree is mature, meaning if you have a young tree, it'll be a couple years in ground before that tree actually becomes resistant to leaf curl. And when we're talking about that disease resistant, that just means there's a percentage of the tree affected by the leaf curl, but still the fruit is still fruitful compared to certain varieties of peaches where it's not disease resistant and it overtakes the whole tree, and then there's no crop, there's no fruit. So in a sense, this is better in that way. But I always recommend for our area to spray copper fungicide for even disease resistant varieties. So we can take a look at the frost peach. It's a really large size. I was peeling the peach with my peach skin with my nails. So it's a really large size peach. Love the color. This is not as ripe. You can see it's not as pink. It is a Freestone. Freestone means, well, it's really hard to do anything with one hand. Pop it out. Freestone. So you can eat it fresh, because otherwise it will be stuck into this pit, which is annoying sometimes. And then here's a slice of it. And here's another. You can see the beautiful color. So let's go ahead and eat this. And so let's talk about the skin. Some peaches, the skin is so fuzzy. It drives me nuts. This is why I like nectarines. Luckily, this bitter, thick skin, very bitter. The skin is horribly bitter. I can't even talk, but it's so bitter. Okay, so this is what I say. My other peaches, I could not do this, but with this variety, you can easily, obviously you use your nails, peel it. This is what I was doing in a sense where my nails got dirty because I was peeling the skin. Yeah, I'm particular. I cannot eat this skin. Nah, let's try this one without the skin. It has a high acidity compared to my other peaches that I grow. Ooh. So the skin is very bitter, and very, very fuzzy. It's very hard to eat the skin. But once you peel the skin, it's wonderful. I would say I rate it 6 out of 10 because it's juicy. It's a large size, and the skin is peelable. Thank goodness for that one. And the Freestone. But for the flavor, it hasn't beaten my other peaches that I grow. So I would say for flavor, it's good. It's not great. It's not excellent. But it's worth growing. Why not? In a couple years, this is should be disease resistant if you plant a young tree. So it's a good one for Pacific Northwest. I hope you enjoy my review today, and see you next time.